Hi, it's Neil from Aspiring Walls here, and we just wanted to put together a nice little demo for you to be able to hang your wallpaper and end up with a beautiful job. So sit back and enjoy. Paste the Wall product is excellent and makes life easy. It is just as simple as putting paste on the wall and rolling the product up, sticking it down and trimming it off. Hey, we want you to be safe during this job and just point out that there are some hazards just like everything, and the main hazards in this is ladder safety, sharp knives and electricity. So just ensure that your ladder is a nice secure ladder, make sure you're not overreaching, try and keep those 3 points of contact at all times. With your knife, ensure that the blades are snapped off and they're nice and sharp. Make sure you're cutting away from yourself, and with the electricity, when working around light switches and switch sockets, just ensure that the power is off. Let's be real safe. Like all good jobs, you need a good foundation, so having a good wall surface is critical. Ensure that all loose pieces of paper or paint are off the wall and that the paper can stick to the wall nicely. You want an even thickness of paste on the wall, around about 1 to 2 mils thick. You will need to brush in or cut in the paste to the ceiling or the scotia and the skirting boards, right up to the edge, so that means that the paste and the product can be stuck to the wall all the way around. Now with the paste in place, you can start hanging the wallpaper. Checking the direction of the paper and ensuring that it's around the correct way, we will put the roll of wallpaper at the base of the wall by the skirting. We then roll the wall covering up the wall till we get to the scotia at the top of the wall. We will then line up the left-hand side to the corner of the wall and brushing out to the right. Then we take our rubber roller, we roll out from left to right because we don't want the product to move around the corner, we want it to stay on the left and we want to roll it to the right. So the idea is to get the product hanging nice and straight down the wall and with no air bubbles, no creases underneath, sitting there looking pretty and flat against the wall. Now if you get to this stage and you're not quite happy with the way it is, you can take it back off again and rehang it. Please take your time. Once we've finished, we come down to the bottom and we grab our straight edge. Pushing in and keeping at approximately 45-degree angle, cut downward into the top of the skirting board. We're now ready to paste for the next drop. We need to paste for the width of the wallpaper that we're pasting, plus around 100 mil. So when we do the next pasting, we don't have to get paste on top of the wallpaper. Place the left-hand edge of the product, lining it up, and we push it in so it butts up nicely as well. So we keep working our way down the seam on the left-hand side, brushing it out to the right as we go. Then we get our roller again and we roll out all the air bubbles and the wrinkles. We then cut the bottom off with the skirting. Once again, same as the last two drops. This time we'll be pasting all the way to the corner because that's as far as we want the wallpaper to go to. And now we're going to come across the top and down the right hand side to trim that excess off. Cut right into the corner as close as you can get it. Pull that back from the wall if you need to and continue those cuts on. Take all your excess off and push the paper into the corner, and there you go. Now you need to go through and clean the wall. Wipe down the skirting boards, across your scotia, just make sure you've cleaned all the paste up off the seams as well, and there you have it. Beautiful. Thank you for listening to this demonstration. My hope is that it's made your project go a little easier and that you will have walls that are beautiful and you will be proud of. So thank you for choosing the Aspiring Collection.